Okay, now that I got everything tacked together, I can show you what we're doing here. So, working on the hitch mount here, or the hitch rack for the gas cans, I should say. So we have this chassis tube right here. It's frame tube, you see that hole right there? So one of those 2 by 2 inch plates with that 3/8 by 16, sorry, 3/8 16 threaded hole in it. We're gonna slide that plate, bend the bumper up, slide that plate in. That hole is gonna line up with that opening. Then we're gonna take this piece and we slide that top plate into the frame like that, so that captivates it. And then up through that hole, we're gonna put a bolt. It's gonna go into that plate that we have on the other side of the tube, and that's gonna pinch that down. Also, what we have is the threaded hole right here, which I still need to drill a hole through the tube. So a clearance hole for a 3/8 16 thread, and then on this side, a clearance hole for the 3/8 16 bolt head. So the thread and the head. Those kind of sound similar. But anyway, what that'll give us is a place to bolt down up there and a place to bolt down right here. It's all captive up and down that way. So then from there, I'm going to make a little plate about 3/8 inch thick there. That'll have a threaded hole in the center. So what that's going to do is give us a point, so I can basically make a steel bumper that'll go between the hitch receiver and then bolt into here. So that way, if you put weight on either side of the little bumper thing, which is going to have a door that swings out where my gas cans are, so I can still open this door. I don't know if any of this is making sense, but anyway, it'll give support out here on the side so you can put weight out there without the thing rattling and tipping and stuff. So we have that one there, then we got this other one right here, and there's basically going to be a big bar, the full width of the vehicle, between those, and it's also going to go into the hitch there. So it'll have a bolt point there, and then the pin will go in just like a normal ball for a trailer hitch would go in. Would you believe it? Another late night. It is 2 a.m. now, and I'm still here working, but about to wrap it up. Whoa, oops, wrong way for the night. So this hitch rack, basically I got it all mocked up. I got these plates in here, so when it's leveled out, it'll thread into the threaded hole right there. There's a lot of weight on that end right now, and I don't want to disturb it. But anyway, that line's up there. Normal thing into the receiver, and then another bolt there. So basically, the thing can't teeter even if you put weight on either end. So what I've been working on late at night is this hinge here. I took 1.25 inch solid round stock, drilled a 1/2 inch hole in it. Then I made these plates, which also have a 1/2 inch hole. The bottom plate is threaded, so you can basically lock that and the nut together and leave a little bit of a jiggle room here, so you can tighten everything down, but there's still jiggle room, so this doesn't rub on the plates. You can kind of tell. It's pretty close right now. So I just have it clamped down temporarily. Those plates will get welded on there. But what it does is it gives you this swing out rack here, which is pretty friggin' sweet. So this will lock up somewhere here. The gas cans will sit on a tray mounted to this. So when I have to open the door, instead of like unhooking the gas cans and all that, which are going to be in an enclosed box, so they're sealed from the weather, it'll have a lock on it so people can't steal it. So those will swing out, and I can't really use it all the way, but it'll go all the way around, probably to at least 180 degrees from the start point. And then that allows me to open the door here. Well, I can't really do it with the clamp there, but it'll allow me to open the door without taking the gas cans off.